Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me, Muhammad Faris Multazam, student college, second generation at Polytechnic ID and Bogor. And in this video, I will make some tutorial to configure dynamic routing. And the dynamic routing are about BGP. So we got here 17 lab, but maybe I will make it 1 or 2 or 3 part of this video tutorial. So just watch and learn if you wanna learn from my videos. If you don't want, it's up to you. So for the first, we got here BGP basic configuration, and the second is BGP using loopback address, BGP with multi-hop command, BGP with multi-hop command load balancing, and the fifth BGP next hop attribute, and the sixth origin attribute, wedge attribute, local preference, configuring met attribute using default metric command, met attribute, community attribute as path attribute, authentication in BGP, configuring peer group, root aggregation in BGP, root reflector, and the last is BGP configuration. So actually this lab doesn't actually this labs does not in order. So I made order step by step. If you wanna learn, this is I write the step we must do from the basic configuration, and the secondly is using loopback address and BGP with multi-hop command, and I'm sorry, here 4 5 6 7. The fourth is BGP next hop attribute, 5 authentication in BGP, 6 is root reflector, and the 7th is origin attribute. This order not the same with this order. So if you wanna learn using this ebook, you can choose this ebook, but I will make the video with my step, with my way, on my way. So just watch and learn from this video if you wanna learn. Okay, let's go to Peanut Lab. Okay, for the first, we got here two routers, and I wrote the step here. You can see step put interface and turn on router. Wait a second, we must wipe because I did my configuration last moment. Wait a minute. So I will make the IP address first here. For the loopback, I want put the loopback is 1.1.1/32. For IP loopback from the router 1 here, and the second one is 2.2.2/32 for the IP loopback from the second router. So alright, let's set up nodes, start all nodes. So we turn it on the routers. So we must to configure basic BGP basic configuration. But before we start configuring the routers, we must know what is BGP about. BGP, or Border Gateway Protocol, is a type of dynamic routing protocol. BGP is used for connection between autonomous systems. BGP is one type of routing that is often used by large ISPs. BGP is included in the category of AGP, or Exterior Gateway Protocol routing protocols. BGP has high scalability because it can serve routing exchange in large organizations. That's why BGP is often known as a very complex routing protocol. Okay, that is about BGP. You can see here my notes. Okay, let's start to configure BGP basic configuration. You must put the router, for example, just I put here two routers, just two routers. Okay, wait a second. Okay, enable configure terminal, hostname R1, interface fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address 12.12.12.1, 255.255.255.0, no shutdown, and then move to second routers. Enable configure terminal, interface fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address 12.12.12.255.255.255.0, no shutdown. Okay, we did putting interface on the router. Now we configure pairing, peer-to-peer router BGP 12 neighbor 12.12.12.2 remote as 12 as this, just the same from the second routers. Router BGP 12 neighbor 12.12.12.1 remote as 12. Okay, now we did configure the BGP peer-to-peer. So the signal, if we did the pairing, this adjacent, so the BGP is running. If you wanna now the BGP is running, just do show IP BGP. Oh, because we didn't advertise the IP address, so we must make a IP address from loopback IP. Interface loopback 0 IP address, because this is for router second routers. We put the IP loopback 2, and the subnet mask is /32 255.255.255.255, and then we advertise it to BGP router BGP 12 network 2 mask 255. Now let's move to other router. Interface loopback 0 IP address 1111 255 router BGP 12 network 1111 mask 255. Okay, the configuration from the basic routing BGP is done. Now we can check the IP address using command to show IP route list BGP routing BGP IP address 222.2.2 this code 200 is AD from BGP here. B is BGP, so 200 is code from BGP via 12.12.12.2. So we can test it to ping 2. Okay, 100%. So the next is to show IP BGP. Okay, is a BGP routing basic routing BGP is done. Let's move to other configuration of BGP. So let's move.